In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Universal SSL through Cloudflare. If you're managing a site on Cloudflare and need to turn off the free Universal SSL certificate, for example, because you're moving to a custom certificate or troubleshooting a certificate mismatch, this walkthrough will guide you carefully through the exact clicks and what to expect along the way. First, open your Cloudflare account and sign into the dashboard. If you're asked for two-step verification, complete that prompt, and once you're in, you'll land on the account home where all of your domains or properties are listed. Next, click on the specific domain you want to work with. This takes you to the domains overview page. Take a quick moment to confirm you selected the correct site, since the changes we're about to make affect how HTTPS is served for that domain and its subdomains. From the menu, click SSL TLS. This section controls encryption and certificates for your site. It's where Cloudflare provisions and manages certificates at the edge, and it's also where you can review modes like flexible, full, and full, strict. Today, we're focusing only on the Universal SSL certificate that Cloudflare issues automatically. Now, click the Edge Certificates tab. Here you'll see details about certificates deployed on Cloudflare's Edge network. Look for the Universal SSL area, which shows the current status and options related to that automatically managed certificate. Scroll down and click Disable Universal SSL. Cloudflare will display a warning. Read it closely. Disabling Universal SSL stops Cloudflare from presenting its default certificate for your domain. If your site currently relies on that certificate, visitors may encounter HTTPS errors. Only proceed if you already have an alternate certificate strategy in place, such as a custom certificate uploaded to Cloudflare or a different termination point you control. When you're ready, confirm the change. A confirmation dialog will appear. Approve it to finalize. The status will update, though it might take a few minutes for the change to propagate globally. During this time, some regions may still serve the previous certificate briefly before the disable takes full effect. That's it. You opened your Cloudflare account, selected your domain, went to SSL TLS, navigated to Edge Certificates, disabled Universal SSL, and confirmed the change. Remember, you can return to the same spot later if you need to re-enable Universal SSL. Make sure to monitor your site after the change to verify that your intended certificate setup is working as expected.